Yo, 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 y'all, we back. What is going on? It's been like a hot minute. Let me try to put this in the middle. I didn't even adjust this correctly. But we are so back, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, I missed my short. No. I wanted to take that short. Take that break at 400s. Oh, well. Man, I missed it. Dang it. No. I was a little bit just too late. We're just heading down south, ladies and gentlemen. So 30,300 tonight. I mean, it's not impossible. Where did we open up? We opened up here. Let's see. And we've just been going down. So I don't think the smart move is to go long. If I do, though, I'll probably just try to catch a little bit of the chop zone. To be honest, that's what I would be doing. Ooh. What a move back up, nasty. But I do want to say all. Oh wow! Sorry about that, folks. Jeez, my phone was on full blast. What in the world? But yeah, kind of missed the opportunity. I could probably go short, to be honest. I think we still have opportunity. They probably want to break back above 400. Maybe quickly get a little quick pop back above first, and then just keep heading down. I cannot speak right now at all. Wow. We're starting to somewhat form some kind of a chop zone. This is not bad though. I mean, you're talking about 40 points. That is solid. If you're able to capture that, I mean, my normal take is usually about 10 points. But I do want to say also as well, I did get approved for a 17.33 payout. So super excited. The payout that I was supposed to get from last Friday pushed to today, this month, which is good. I mean, I can't complain. I'm definitely thankful to be able to request a payout on the first of the month. So starting off the month strong with 17.33. Last month was 44.60. Yeah, 44.60. So that was last month. So pretty good, to be honest. Just got to keep the streak going. I'm positive for this year. I'm actually profitable, but not really as profitable as I want to be because I've just spent I've spent a lot on getting accounts, which is stupid. Most of it didn't really come from Apex. Apex is probably the least, just because they're very affordable. Right? I don't want to say cheap because when you call something cheap, you don't value it as much. Just want to change a few of the verbiage, right? You guys think it sounds stupid, but your brain can't really differentiate between the two. So Apex is a really affordable proffer, and I'm very thankful that it is, because there's a lot of potential to make money on it. A lot of people, will say, well, you could only get a max payout of $1,500 for your first payout. Well, I want more than that. Like, time out and, just chill for a bit. 99% of people don't even get to it's somewhere within the ball range of 90%. 90% of traders, let's just say, don't even make it to a payout. So it's like, don't worry about getting to a payout. Just worry about, let me take a step back. Don't worry about making more than $1,500 for your first request. Worry about getting to your first payout. Matter of fact, worry about getting funded. Some people can't even get funded. So before you worry about how much money you can make, why don't you worry about getting your strategy fixed so you can pass an account to get into the funded stage. That's just my little 2 cents on it. Man, I'm coming on PA 99, dude. The next one's gonna be 100. Crazy. But we are gonna be trying to pay a account tonight. Let's just make sure everything here is set correctly. What was that? 9? But yeah, I mean, Apex allows you to have multiple accounts as well. They're all very affordable, so you don't need much, guys, to make some good money. I say good money because for a lot of people, me included, if you're just making an extra 5 to 10 grand a month, I mean, that's pretty solid in my opinion. Hold on, y'all. We are back. Alright, we're back. My roommate was getting out of the bathroom, so just wanted to pop away for a quick second, but I'm still here. Don't freak out. We're just dumping. I'm looking for the next chop zone to get in, take a quick little cheap scalp off the bottom, quick little 10 points. But I mean, you got this zone down here that we bounced off, which is this pivot point. So the question is, do we come down here? Is the ultimate question. Today though was pretty insane. I mean, take a look at the daily chart here. We just rallied onto the highs. All-time highs are always tricky to trade. Everybody says just go long. Yeah, I mean, in hindsight, you do just go long, but sometimes it's not as easy. Because you can go long and still get stopped out. That's the thing. Right now, we're just giving all that back. Bulls are gone. I guess New York is for the Bulls and Asia's for the Bears. Bears are just coming through. This is a nasty sell. Let's check. ES is doing the same thing, which is great. Both are moving in congruency, which is exactly what you want to see. Jab here long. I don't think it's a good spot yet. Not a good spot yet. Let's see how we react with this next 3 minute. Like, where do we close here? If we do close up here, back in this little zone, would be better to take a little cheap scalp off the bottom for 10 points. But if we close down here, the Bears are probably going to try to make another move down. So looking better for the Bulls here. Got about 5 seconds. There we go. Let's see if we can get this to flip red. If it rallies up, that's not going to be good. I would have rather this come down here first, turn red first, and then go green. Because this pattern kind of tells me that Bears are still kind of in control. I'm also looking at ES as well, making sure that if I do decide to go along here, that it's gonna be beneficial to me. Looking better. Starting to form a chop zone. As always though, ladies and gentlemen, this stream is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. So don't even copy my trades. Like, don't even look at me. I'm fake. This is AI. This stream is just AI. It's not even real. So don't take anything I say about finances here. Do not take it to heart. What I'm talking about is just pure entertainment. There we go. Man, I really should have went long down here, huh? That would have gotten me 10 points, but just be patient, my son. They say patience is a virtue. And patience pays. It's a great quote, but there's always contradictions to it. Sometimes people use the word patience just because they're scared of getting in. So sometimes you gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them. You gotta know when you get in, when you see your setup, you take it. No matter the outcome, you get it. So, okay, anyways. Let's see. News tomorrow, though, we have Jolts at top of the hour for tomorrow. So the first 30 minutes, basically. Oh, man. Jeez, that's nasty. That is dirty. Guess I should have taken my own advice, eh? Go along. Should have taken my own advice. Go down when I saw my pattern, I guess. Would have moved back up. Are they trying to reverse here? Hindsight, I should have just got in instead of waiting. Look at that. What I said just came to bite me. Because I was talking about going long down here. Should have just took it. But I wanted to wait to see it form a little bit more. And guess what? It is now up 20 points. Double what I normally would take. My base hits. That's tough, ladies and gentlemen. But while we do that, this one's there. That's there. So that should be 2 days, 1 day. 1 day. Alright, so these are fresh. It's funny, we have this little range up here at 25 to 30-ish area. That's what we first rejected off. And bulls are making a push for it. Question now is what's gonna happen here? Do the bears just rally in? Just take it right back down? Just fully engulf this right back down? Or did they make an attempt at 20s? Gotta take a look at ES as well. Not really a wick up here, so good chance they might try to go retest it. Yeesh. There we go. Got ES kind of trying to push back up to 75, 90 as well. So definitely taking NASDAQ with it. But are the Bulls really back in action? That's the ultimate question here is, are they really back? New 5-minute. Trying to figure out what it wants to do. What a hard rejection off of Tony though, look at that. Let's take long here, see if we can get this to, see if the Bulls want to come back and push it just to 20, see if they can break that 20 level. They rejected off of it pretty hard. So if we can get them just to push just a tad bit above it, would be beautiful. 17, 18, 19. There we go. Nice and easy. $200. Well, folks, you know, I think we're done here. Just wanted to get on, get that. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just call here into green. So this little bad boy right here, we're up $200, 201 on this P account. I'm probably going to try to get some more accounts because I want to get to 20 funded. So right now I'm at 10. So I'll probably try to do that tomorrow. But yeah, that's a wrap, folks. If you haven't subscribed, do not forget to subscribe. And if you do subscribe, turn on that notification bell because we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. It's a little bit, it's just a hop, jump, skip, or we skippity doop, or whatever, you know, hop, jump, skip away, but you don't want to miss out. Other than that, y'all have a good night.